In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Students, today we are going to do maths work from summer task. The topic is subtraction. Subtraction means to cross something. Let's start the work. Students, we have some puzzles. You can see these puzzles. First we have 7 puzzles. We have to minus 2 puzzles from 7. If we cover up 2 puzzles from 7, so what will be the answer? Let's count the remaining puzzles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Our next puzzle is 2 boys minus 1 boy. How many boys are left? If we cover up 1 boy from 2, what will be the answer? Let's count the remaining 1. So our answer is 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Our next puzzle is 3 girls minus 1 girl. If we cover up 1 from 3, so what will be the answer? Let's count the remaining girls. 1, 2. So our answer is 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. First we have 10 candles. We minus 2 candles from 10. How many candles are left? If we cover up 2 candles, let's count the remaining candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. First we have 8 candies. We minus 4 candies from 8. What will be the answer? If we cover up 4 candies from 8, let's count the remaining candies. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. First we have 9 heads. We have to minus 3 heads from 9. So how many heads are left? If we cover up 3, let's count the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So our answer is 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Thank you students. Have a nice day.